Hi, I'm Katie Nobles.
And I'm disability attorney Michael Leiner.
And you're watching The Bottom Line. Today's topic, are food stamps included as earnings in my disability benefits?
It's a question that we get very often. And there's two answers because it depends on what type of disability or benefit you're receiving as to how it will be factored. Whether it's considered earnings, the answer is no.
Okay.
Food stamp.
So that one's easy.
Money from food stamps is not earnings. It is not considered earned wages that go towards what Social Security considers substantial gainful income. You can push that aside. That is not a consideration. But where it does factor into things for people, and I think we should still talk about that today, Katie, is where if you're applying for and eligible for Social Security disability benefits, then food stamps are not a factor for you. If you're receiving food stamps, not only is it not a countable wage, but it's also not going to have any impact on the amount of benefits that you can receive. However, if you're applying for SSI, Supplemental Security Benefits, and remember, that's a needs-based benefit, because you're drawing a benefit from the local government that's providing you food, Social Security will often reduce the amount of money that they will pay you because you're getting money to pay for food. And oftentimes, and I think we've covered this in other videos, what we see is Social Security will reduce their payment to you by up to a third of the SSI monthly amount because of the assistance that you're receiving in food stamps to account for food, shelter, or other fringe benefits that you're receiving. Now, to go back to your original question, once again, no, that is not wages, that's not earned income, but it can impact the amount of money that you receive at the end of every month, or beginning of every month, from Social Security. So that's how I would break that down for people who are wondering what the impact of food stamps, or here in Ohio we call it SNAP benefits, is on Social Security.
All right, thank you so much, Michael, for answering that question. And if you have any questions, you can visit our website, linerlegal.com.